Welcome to Time Make Kitchen. Today I'm taking you along with me to Awi, my village, a village in the northwest region of Cameroon. So I want to show you how to make one of our delicacies called achu. Follow me and see how it's done here in the United States with the limited resources we have. We can still eat achu. Follow me and enjoy. Don't go away. Bon appetit. Thank you.
So this is how achu looks like. So the first things first, I am here trying to boil my cocoyam. So I've removed all the leafy skin, make it clean. I've put it to boil. These are my ingredients. So these names, I will not know all of them. Just look at the name, how they look like, and go to any African store and get them from there. I know some of the names, but I don't know all. We have black bush pepper there, we have bebe and the rest. So I want to steam those and grind. So here I'm steaming my meat with lots of pepper. So I have cow skin and beef here. These are our choice of proteins. These are the ingredients that I have toasted on a frying pan, and I'm grinding really well. My meat is ready, guys. Delicious. You can use any protein of your choice, but today I choose to go with cow skin and beef. And my pepper, I've removed it so I can use the water to make the soup. This is a very important part. You have to strain the soup to remove all of this additional skin from the meat. You don't need that in your soup. At this time, you've warmed your oil. The palm oil I'm using, you can see on the screen. I use banga. It's working for me. Now my cocoyam is ready, and I'm gonna use my processor to blend this. We use mortar back home. I don't have mortar, and I'm not missing it. Trust me. It's so easy to go with this processor. Normally we always use banana. We boil it and blend with it, but today we didn't want to use banana. We just want cocoyam. So this is how it looks like. It's so good. So I'm gonna blend all of it and make sure it's pasty. I didn't add any water at this time. It's just blending the cocoyam. That's what I did. Then after I put all together, I add little water, just a little bit, to put it together. Don't make it to be too soft, and this is what you get. Look at this, so smooth. This is so smooth and perfect, ready to be plated. Delicious, and the flavor from the cocoyam is really good. Now let's focus on making the soup. I've put my stock, and I've added palm oil that was warm in here, and I've added limestone. So I'm trying to be careful with my salt because the meat was boiled with just salt and cubes. So now the limestone is showing that it's working. I'm gonna add more of it and make sure that it foams more before we are going to blend it to have the perfect foaming. Watch your limestone. Don't make it to be too sour. Watch your salt, watch your cube, and you toast it like this with spoon or a little bowl in a pot first. Here I already have my ingredients as well. I've put some of my ingredients. So put your achu spice as you go. Don't just put all at once. It might be too much. So now I've blended, and look at this. Yeah. This is so delicious. Look at the color. So good. My oil is perfect. The secret of a good achu soup is oil. If you have a bad oil, you won't have this kind of soup. I promise you. So this is what I did, okay? I blended it in my blender like this to push it to another level of creaminess, all right? Now, don't blend it too much. The flavor from this soup... When you toast your ingredients in a fry pan before you blend it, it brings out a lot of flavor. And check out the thickness of the soup. It's not too light. Everything is just perfect. You want to put palm oil in the way that the soup can be heavy. You don't want to choose soup where when you put the cocoyam, you don't feel the soup. Now I'm going to add all of my boiled protein. Like I said, you can put any protein of your choice. Today the choice we're going for was cow skin and beef. That's it. And you stir it, and you have your pepper. I blended some of the pepper. It's really spicy, and I have pepper by the side. So our achu soup is ready. It's so delicious. Trust me, my mom is proud of me. I did a good job, and I always do a good job. Check out this, my cocoyam. This is my soup. We boil it, and then it will look like this, and then we'll just swallow it. Now let's enjoy the soup first. Some people can drink this soup like that without any impunity. They love just the soup. They don't think of anything else, just the soup. So check out this creamy achu soup, and the color is so yellow. This is the best method you can make achu soup here in the United States. Just make sure you have your oil. Follow this method, you come out perfect like this. It's very easy. I love the way the meat is just floating in it. It goes with a lot of beef. Well, thank you all so much for watching Thai Recipe Kitchen. This is Achu. Try it at home and let me know and enjoy with your family. We are going to have these for lunch. I hope you enjoy your day together with your family. Bye. Bon appetit. Thank you. So this is how Achu looks like. So the first thing